What's up? So we got another unboxing from KC Racing for slot cars. So we got a 9,000 kV motor. We got the X89. This one is for the 9,000 kV motor. This is circle track. Let me just reach. Got a 332nd hard body front axle for circle track. I got some 10-tooth pinions. I got some ESC carrier since I already have a couple in drag cars. Another axle mount, or another just front axle for hard body. And then I got their floating body mount system to try it out. And then 2 more drag ESCs. And I bought these with my own money because I have a couple motors right here. 6,000's empty. Got a 3200, a 4500, and a Brushless Mafia 6500. So I want to say a good thing about KC Racing is I fried this ESC. This one is no good. I sent them an email and he's mailing me another one for free because I've already bought 3 or 4. So I'll have 2, 3, and I got 1 in a car right now, 4 of the drag ESCs. So good on them to send them out. I'm kind of done buying parts for now. I got a few more things coming and then we're kind of done for now. So I bought this chassis. This is a brushless chassis from them. Very nice brass chassis. Yeah. So we're gonna get this dude together. I'm gonna put probably this body, maybe not that body. I might need a bigger body. So, but here's another body I got from someone. It's 3D printed. It's like a Monte Carlo or something. But let me know what you want to see. I've got a bunch of build videos coming up, bunch of motors, fully stocked box, slam full, ready to be building, chassis. I've got no bar small cars, Parma Edge chassis, JDS chassis. I've got more chassis coming. Plenty of chat. Funny car, this is probably the next build. The funny car. Voodoo chassis, VD2. I've got the cool station in here. Tire truer. It's kind of a mess right now. I've got it set up to just work out of. I've got, here's the brushless motor in the Pro Mod KCR brushless bags chassis. I've got to do some stickers. Got to get wheelie bars on. I'm waiting on some red wheels for the wheelie bars. I went ahead and bought a Red Bull funny car body, so there's that. So that's gonna go with that that Neo funny car chassis kit. I got a GTP here to rebuild. I bought this used. I've still got to do some work on the Nova. Got to get the side pipes painted black, get them on, get a motor in it. There's nothing in it yet. Motor in it, get the I want to get these all painted black, all the body lines stickered up like a drag car. So we got to get that dude going. There's your Skyline. Circle track car. I need to get an interior in this guy. Mac Daddy drag. Get it. Oh, I got a couple drag chassis on the way. So more slot car builds coming. There's the ready to run Mid-America Camaro. Beautiful little car, consistent car, and it's the Edge 2 chassis, which is that chassis, the Par 583. And then here's an Edge 1 I bought from a man for like 50 bucks for the car used. So it's the original Edge. I'm gonna leave it as is. So stay tuned. Plenty of stuff to build. I've got there's the Lucky Bob's chassis jig. I'm getting that out of here and using the Brutal Performance one. I've got a lot of projects. It's snowing here in West Virginia, so. And also, I found a dyno that's similar to this, but it's a real dyno. Be on the lookout for that video coming soon. So, stay tuned, and we will see you later. Thank you. Subscribe.